Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney and I'm about to let my brother Zach introduce this video.
Hi, Casually Courtney here, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the Ninja Coffee Bar single serve system. Now I normally don't do videos like this. I usually am just fitness and makeup and hair and cookies and desserts and macarons, but today I thought that I'd treat you guys to a little unboxing of this good little pickup I just found.
So today we have the Ninja Coffee Bar single serve system, which has Auto IQ One Touch Intelligence. Here it is in all of its glory. And this claims to be a pod-free single serve machine with a built-in hot and cold frother. And then you can do anything from a cup to an extra large cup to a travel to a multi-serve mug. And you can either do classic, rich, over ice, cafe forte, or specialty brew. So this is what it looks like just out of the box, and it comes with this double wall insulated tumbler with a straw, which is very nice. And then everything in here is compact. It's a tiny little machine, but you pull everything out to make it happen, it looks like. So back here we have the built-in hot and cold frother. And then we have the filter, and it looks like you can actually use paper filters if you don't want to use this built-in reusable filter, which looks pretty easy to clean. And then this little guy pops down if you are doing a smaller mug. And there's actually a drip stop feature, which I think is super cool. It actually won't brew if you have it on the no drip setting. So it'll actually beep at you if you have it on the no drip setting, and that means that you need to switch it back. Here are the controls, which look the exact same as presented on the box. And the bottom here has a preheating button and a clean button. And then the Cafe Forte, which is 8 ounce, the Specialty, which is 4 ounces, and then over ice brew, rich brew, classic brew, cup, extra large cup, travel mug, and multi-serve mug. Next to the water reservoir, which pops out nice and easy, there is a Smart Ninja scoop. And this tells you how many scoops to put in for each type of brew. So it says right here, 2 to 3 of these big scoops if you want to do Cafe Forte or Specialty. And then 2 to 3 of these small scoops for a mug or an extra large mug. Alright, so I have it preheating before my first use, and I'm going to put it on the multi-serve setting, and I have this double wall tumbler here. I'm going to run it through 2 times to clean it, as it says you should do before first using the machine. Alright, so while my Ninja is going through its 2 clean cycles, I'm picking out what I want to try for the very first time, and I'm actually going to make my dad and brother whatever they want to. I think I'm definitely going to make a pumpkin spice latte for someone, and then a cappuccino style coffee because it's classic, gotta do that, and I'll let you know. Alright, so I just figured I'd show you how easy it is to clean this your first time. So go ahead and just put a cup in that's big enough to hold everything, and then select the extra large multi-serve tumbler setting, and then press your clean button down at the bottom, and in a few moments it'll begin to flush the water through the system and clean out everything. So my dad wants a cappuccino style coffee, and he drinks 2% milk, so I have a half cup of 2% milk here, and I'll be using the Folgers House Blend, however many scoops it directs me to, and we ran out of regular 12-ounce mugs, so I'm using this gigantic Mardi Gras mug. Woohoo! Okay, so I have the half cup of milk in here, and I just microwaved it for 45 seconds, and then in here I have 2 big scoops of the Folgers House Blend. Right, and it says to froth before you brew, because we're going to do it in the same cup. So I believe I just submerge this here, like just under, and then froth for 30 seconds. Alright, so I have my frothed milk sitting in the mug ready to brew. So we go over here and we press the specialty button, which is right there. And it says it should pause for a moment before brewing. Alright, so here's our first cappuccino brewed, and here you go, Dad. Let us know how you like it.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, it's frothy. Mmm.
Alright, so this is what I'm going to make for myself. It's the pumpkin spice latte, and it calls for 2 Ninja big scoops of the ground coffee, a half cup of milk, and I'll be using almond milk, and then a tablespoon of dark brown sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, which is super exciting. I've heard this tastes better than the actual Starbucks pumpkin spice latte, so we are going to see. It also calls for a pinch of salt, but I don't know if I'm going to do that because I don't really like salted sweet drinks. But anyway, this one says to actually brew the coffee first because you're going to put all the spices together with the milk. So we just pop that in, the 2 big Ninja scoops, and now we press specialty 4 ounce, and it should brew momentarily. Alright, so the coffee's brewing, and I have original unsweetened almond milk. And I'm going to pour 1/2 of a cup, it's very full, in. So here's 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Alright, I microwaved this mixture for 45 seconds. I'm just going to give it a little stir and then go ahead and froth it, and my brew is sitting here ready. Alright, so it's all done. I'm just going to add a tiny bit of pumpkin pie spice for a garnish. Alright, here's our taste test. Ooh, that's strong. Hey guys, it is the next morning, and yesterday for the first time I tried my pod-free single-serve Ninja, and I need to try it again because I can't give you an honest review of it because my dad tried his and he was not a fan because he actually likes sweetened drinks, and I didn't even think to tell him that the cappuccino only has like espresso and then milk. But he ended up putting in a tablespoon of sugar and then he ended up enjoying it. As for me, I'm not entirely sure what I did wrong, if I did something wrong, but like the recipe, I just didn't like it for the pumpkin spice latte, which is strange because I know a lot of people really do like that from the Ninja. So this morning I'm going to try out just a classic cappuccino because I do like unsweetened drinks. So I'm going to try just a regular old almond milk cappuccino, and I don't even think I'm going to put any flavors in there. If I do, it'll be this Torani white chocolate. But yeah, I think I'm just going to do it regular and hope that it ends up tasting good because I don't know what's up if it doesn't. So there is something I'm going to try differently today, and that is the brew of coffee I'm selecting. So I'm actually going to be using the Maxwell House 100% Colombian. So it's a lot more robust and full-bodied. Yeah, this honestly smells a lot better than the, what did I use yesterday? Folgers. So I'm hoping maybe that makes the difference. I don't really know. I'll have to do a pumpkin spice latte another time to actually let you know. But for now, we will make the cappuccino and we will see. Everyone says the almond milk does not froth well. Then what the heck is this? That's the best froth I have ever made from any kind of milk. So here we have my finished cappuccino, and I'm gonna taste test it and hope that this tastes better than everything else I've made. Ooh, okay, that's good. Yeah, I really like that. That's good. Alright, well then I'll just keep experimenting and see what I can find. Maybe it was the blend of coffee that I chose that I did not like yesterday, but yeah, this is good. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. Let me know if you want to see any more ninja recipes after I actually figure out what I'm doing with it. And if you liked this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and never forget to subscribe. And let me know what you want to see next. Go ahead and check out some of my vlog summer videos. I know I haven't been on here in a while, but I had so much fun filming those. I hope you have a fantabulous day, and I'll see you next time.